How long has it been since you've been on a 150? 5 months? Is this your first time back? Oh my gosh, everyone coming in. Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We outside at the lot ski, and as you can see, it's flipping packed. So yeah, let's get into today's video. It's gonna be dope. Hey, you better be careful on my baby. Alright, so homie said he could ride. Hey, does it hit like a 250 or is it like 250?
You just get on and ride the motherfucker.
Nah, I want to know it.
You don't even know what a 250 hit. Just get on it.
Damn, look at this thing.
You know what it is? It's smoother, less power.
It's
do way more coasting without just going.
For real?
125.
It sounds like it got so much power. Hey, did you do this yourself or did it naturally?
Nah, my girl, she put my bike on the floor, try to break my shit.
It's like a perfect one finger.
Huh?
It's perfect for one finger. Yeah, that's sick. God damn, I'm on a 250 that's bored out to like a 300. Oh my God, this thing is nuts. Y'all can hear it, y'all hear that power. Like, look at the graphics. He has this like colored green. This bike looks so sick. And you can just hear how it's... Bro, it sounds vicious. There's my 150. Hey, yo, this two-stroke is scary. Hey, let me get a clip. You already know. We got the little homie outside. Yo, how long has it been since you've been on a 150? 5 months? Is this your first time back? Oh my God. Hey, well, be careful, my baby. Yeah. I think they're trying to bump start it. I don't know what they're doing, to be honest. If they're just towing them around or what. But you never know what's going to happen at the lot, dude. It won't start. Damn. Yo, okay. I see you. Woo! We're gonna swerve past these people. These quads. Yo, more and more people just keep pulling up, dude. We got the Banshee, the 300cc two-stroke. Let's go! Bro, look how they put that shit on there, dude. Oh my gosh. Let's go! Hey, he was getting close to you. I say he was getting close. She got the blue bandana, American Pride. God. Hey, you got everything Army green, bro.
I saw your comment. I said, homeboy's about to ready to go to the military.
Yeah. You seen that? Yeah, I seen the military bag, the bag on the side.
Yeah.
And I was like, he's ready for the military. Let's go. Bro, it's scary. You gotta be on point. He was talking about the wind. Woo, get a little swervy on him. Bro, the Monster Edition 450s. Flipping pretty. Let's go. Yo, Kirsten chilling. That's what we talking about, bro. Let's go. That's so dope. On the 90. Some 90 work. All right. Let's go. Damn, that 250 is scary. Try to touch the wheel. Are you using a drone to film?
Yeah. 4K. So,
But you're holding it?
yeah. It's too windy for it.
Ah, you want to get a clip?
The gimbal, so.
Okay, yeah, let's do it. Oh, look who we got outside today, bro. The freaking goat, dude. The quad goat. Look at him. He's just chilling. Woohoo! There's a few goats in freaking Orlando on a quad. He's one of them. Rip Turtle's one of them. No way, bro. What in the hell, bro? Look at this. Ridiculous. So crazy. He making the lot on fire. You gotta calm down, brother. Bro, that guy just swerved. Oh my. Brother just swerved on a quad. Oh my god. These 90s are getting so damn close to me, bro. Bro, you're going crazy, dude. What the hell? The big one. I tried to race the RC car, bro. Look at that thing. Woo, dude, it's so windy. Let's go. You say what? Oh, it's scratchy. Hey, you'll be like, let's go. There we go. We said everyone's wheels gotta be in the air, you feel me? Alrighty gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. The lot today was freaking busy. And yeah, good vibes, a little windy, but we pulled through it. Remember, stay motivated. I'll freaking love you. Till next time. Peace.